Welcome back. In lecture number 13, now we are proceeding here a AKTU examination problem in of 2011-12 and 2013-14. So here university asked applying mesh analysis obtain the current through 5 ohm resistance of this given circuit. So we know that here we cannot change this branch because we cannot apply here source transformation. So and the circuit is very simple to solve this question. So now we start to solve this question using Kirchhoff voltage law, KVL method, mesh analysis. So first of all we identify mesh, different meshes. M1 here, this is, let us say M1 start from ABCHA, and mesh number 2, let us say here is I1, here I2 for M2, and here is, let us say M3, and current is I3. So mesh 2 is HCDGH and mesh 3 is FEDGF. We mention here I1, I2, I3. So in this way we consider the current, loop or mesh's current. Now current is entering from this side, this is positive, this is negative. Current is for here, this is I1 minus I2, and when we consider here it is I2 minus I1, positive, negative, and here positive, negative. When we consider here, this is I2, positive, negative. So we find out basically I2. This I is I2. So now here both direction of current is downward. It is I2 plus I3. This is positive, negative, positive, negative. And current is entering from this side for this resistance. It is the value is 4 ohm. So this is 4 ohm, current is entering from this side, so it is, let us say I3, and this is positive, this is negative. So now after distribution the polarity on each resistance and this voltage source, we can write the equation for mesh 1. Here now there is a current source, we cannot apply KVL directly because there is a super mesh, current is already given. So here by using super mesh we can say I1 is equal to 2 ampere. Now for M2 start from H and coming back to H, so this is minus of 2 I2 minus I1, I2 minus I1. Now here minus of 5 I2, and here minus of twice of I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. So put here I1 is equal to 2 ampere. So first of all solve this equation. Here it is 2 I1 and minus 9 I2 and minus K 2 I3. 2 I3 is equal to 0. Put I1 is equal to 2. So 2 to the 4. So then equation is minus 9 I2 minus 2 I3 is equal to minus of 4. So this is equation number 2. We used I1 is equal to 2 here. Now apply KVL, start from F and coming back to F in mesh number 3. So last polarity of this battery, plus of 100 volt minus 4 I3, here minus of twice of I2 plus I3. This is I2, I3 is equal to 0. So after solving this, it would be 2 I2 and 4 to 6, 6 I3 is equal to 100. So in this way we have two equation 2 and 3. Now we solve these two equations using calculator in this way. So equation unknown 2, a1 minus 9 minus 2 is a2, c1 minus 4, here 2, 6, 100. So we get I2 is equal to minus K 3.52 ampere, and similarly I3 17.84. I3 is equal to 17.84 ampere. So we calculate I2, means this is current passing through 5 ohm resistance, and this is your answer of this university problem. So in this way we solve this question. In coming lectures we discuss some more problem of AKTU university problems and gate problems. Thank you.